croeso. 3 o'r gloch, croeso. Croeso nôl. Croeso I 10 am 3. Helen dwi, a heddiw, today, heddiw, mae Mair yn helpu fi. So, remember, if you've got any questions during the lesson, mae Mair yn helpu. Okay, so, first of all today, let's go over the quiz we did yesterday. It was a quiz to test your yes and no answers. These are the questions I asked. Wyt ti'n hoffi pizza? Ydw. Dych chi'n hoffi pizza? Ydyn. Ydy e'n hoffi pizza? Ydy. Wyt ti'n gyrru? Nac ydw. Dych chi'n gyrru? Nac ydyn. Ydy hi'n gyrru? Nac ydy. And da iawn, Emma Powell, Jo Rock, Catherine Louise, Valerie Evans. Da iawn. A diolch yn fawr I chi for taking part, just a bit of fun. Okay, so ddoe, yesterday, dydd Mercher, gwers 11. Heddiw, lesson 12. Now, Welsh is very logical with numbers from 11 to 19. So if 11 is 11, how would we say 12? 12. Let's just carry on a little bit. 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15, 16, 16, 17, 17, 18, 18, 19, 19. Da iawn, but let's not get ahead of ourselves too much. And today we're going to concentrate on gwers 12. It's dyddiau and gwers 12. And in gwers 11, we started building on our maen nhw sentences. Do you remember? Maen nhw'n iawn, maen nhw'n oer. But yesterday particularly, we looked at the new word mynd, to go. How would we say they're going? Maen nhw'n mynd, and we had 3 new phrases. You try them. They're going to bed. Maen nhw'n mynd i'r gwely. They're going to work. Maen nhw'n mynd i'r gwaith. They're going to town. Maen nhw'n mynd i'r dre. Now that's i'r, yeah, i'r, to, the, literally means to the, but you may have noticed it with i'r gwely, i'r gwaith, i'r town. In English we omit the, but we need it in Gymraeg. But if we also wanted to say to the shop, we'd say i'r shop. Still means to the. So they're going to the shop. Maen nhw'n mynd i'r shop. Da iawn. Okay, so how would we say, and think of what we've already learned, how would we say, where are they going? Da iawn. Ble maen nhw'n mynd? Ble maen nhw'n mynd? Ask me where they're going. Ble maen nhw'n mynd? Maen nhw'n mynd i'r shop. So ask me where they shop. Ble maen nhw'n siopa? Maen nhw'n siopa ar-lein. Ask me where they work. Ble maen nhw'n gweithio? Maen nhw'n gweithio yn y cartre, in the home. Maen nhw'n gweithio yn y cartre. And ask me where they learn Welsh. Ble maen nhw'n dysgu Cymraeg? Well, nawr, maen nhw'n dysgu Cymraeg yn y cartre. Da iawn. So, how about just where are they? Ble maen nhw? Ble maen nhw? So you can be talking about people or things. Ble maen nhw? Try it. Ble maen nhw? We're going to substitute out ir for which means in the. Yeah, in the. So how would we say in bed? Da iawn, yn y gwely. How would we say in work? Yn y gwaith. How would we say in town? Yn y dre. How would we say in the shop? Yn y shop. So, you answer me. Ble mae nhw? Yn y gwaith. Mae nhw yn y gwaith. Ble mae nhw? Yn y banc. Mae nhw yn y banc. Ble mae nhw? Yn y garage. Mae nhw yn y garage. Da iawn. Mae nhw yn y garage. Nawr te, we're going to go once again from the statement to the question. Dych chi'n cofio? Do you remember? Mae or mae o yn y gogledd would become ydi ydi o. Mae hi, ydi hi. So, it's very similar. Mae nhw, they are, they do. Question, ydyn nhw, ydyn nhw, ydyn. You try. Ydyn nhw, ydyn nhw. So, ask me, are they in work? Remember, in the and y. Ydyn nhw yn y gwaith? Ydyn. Are they in the bank? Ydyn nhw yn y bank? Ydyn. Are they in the garage? Ydyn nhw yn y garage? Ydyn. Eto, are they in work? Ydyn nhw yn y gwaith? Nac ydyn. Are they in the bank? Ydyn nhw yn y banc? Nac ydyn. Are they in the garage? Ydyn nhw yn y garage? Nac ydyn. You may have noticed that the answer is the same as yes we are. Ydyn, nac ydyn. Now, Helen dwi'n byw gyda Fflir a Gwynfor. And you've already started asking me some questions about them. Ydi ydi hi. Let's put the children together and you can ask me, do they do certain things? So, ask me, do they work? Ydyn nhw'n gweithio? Wel, mae Fflir yn gweithio, dim Gwynfor. Mae Fflir yn gweithio. Ask me, do they iron? Ydyn nhw'n smwddio? What do you think? Nac ydyn. Ask me, do they drink tea? Ydyn nhw'n yfed te? Ydyn. Mae nhw'n yfed te. Ask me, do they like pizza? Ydyn nhw'n hoffi pizza? Ydyn. Mae nhw'n hoffi pizza. Ask me, watch Netflix? Ydyn nhw'n gwylio Netflix? Ydyn. Mae nhw'n gwylio Netflix. I'm going to a question about them. What do you think? Ydyn nhw'n clapio? Ydyn nhw'n clapio i'r NHS? Ydyn. Mae nhw'n clapio i'r NHS. Yn y cartre, dyn ni'n clapio i'r NHS. A heddiw, today, dydd Iau, 8 o'r gloch, dwi'n clapio i'r NHS. Mae Dani yn clapio i'r NHS. Mae Fflir yn clapio i'r NHS. Mae Gwynfor yn clapio i'r NHS. Dyn ni'n clapio i'r NHS. Dych chi'n clapio i'r NHS? Iawn. Felly, dyna ni. So today, the main thing we've done today is to go from the statement mae nhw to ydyn nhw. Diolch yn fawr. Dwi'n mynd nawr, but don't forget to have a look at our learning resources on learnwelsh.cymru. Go to the entry resources, and this present tense is in the first unit, and you can dip in more or less anywhere now and probably keep abreast with what's happening. So, diolch yn fawr. See you tomorrow.